This video is intended to remind you where to find the databases we are using for the project. First, you have to go to the home page. Once you're there, under Quick Links, page down until you find the library link. Select EBIS High School Library Service. And the database link is right here on the front. Now, this is the point in time when the login page will pop up. Remember the user ID and password that I gave you in class to use. And remember there are 3 different services that we are using under this tab. And I'll give them to you in order of them being introduced in class. The first one, you're going to page down until you find the History and Geography tab. Okay, just make sure you keep reading the tabs, go slowly. And the first one that we talked about in class is the SIRS Knowledge Source. I'll show you what that one looks like. This is the one with all the pro and con issues. Okay, that's the A through Z list. Okay, go back. The second one that we talked about was the Issues and Controversies, which is 2 above that. Let me show you what that looks like so you remember that database. Okay, and again, remember that the issues are first shown by subject, and then if you want to just see the A through Z link, you click on the A through Z and it'll show you alphabetically. Let me go back. And then Noodle Tools can be found at the top of the page, right here under Bibliographic Utilities. And let me show you that login page. Remember, this is where we're doing the majority of our research paper. Of course, yours isn't going to say my name. Yours will probably be blank at this point in time. So that's how you find the databases and tools that we are using.